How to resend a lost or undelivered gift card email. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to gogift.com. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the order history or gift card section where your recent purchases are listed. Find the gift card order that was lost or the email that was undelivered. Click on the option to view order details or manage the gift card. Look for a recent email or recent gift card button and click it. Confirm the recipient's email address and resend the gift card email. If you don't see this option, you can contact GoGift customer support for help with resending your gift card email. Always double check the recipient's email address to avoid delivery issues. Now you know how to resend lost or undelivered gift card email from GoGift. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more shopping tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.